how to connect your laptop to your Samsung Smart TV. So I'll show you how to share your laptop screen to your TV completely wirelessly. Now there's two methods to do this, so let's first head over to our laptop. Now from your computer, go and click on the Wi-Fi symbol at the bottom of the page, and then you'll just need to scroll down the list of options and click on Cast. Now make sure your television is turned on, and you should be able to find your Samsung TV from the list of devices. Now, in order for your television to display in this list, you need to make sure that both your laptop and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So once you see your TV, just go and click on it from the list. You may get some instructions on your television, and you'll just need to go and press allow to allow the connection. Now once your laptop's connected, you'll have a few options to either duplicate, extend, or you can use this as a second screen only. Now in order to disconnect your screen, just click on the disconnect button. And that's the first method on how to share your screen to your Samsung TV. Now there is a second method as well. So just go and load up a Google Chrome browser and then head over to the app that you want to share over to your TV. So for example, it could be something like a YouTube video, and this will also work on Netflix and other streaming services. So what you need to do is go and just play the video that you want to share. You can then click on these three vertical dots at the top right hand side, scroll down and click on Cast, Save and Share, and then you can press Cast. You can then select your television from here. Now just like before, you may need to accept the request on your television, and once you've done this, you'll be able to share your laptop screen over to your TV.